What are the key qualifications that lenders look for when approving SBA loans for franchise owners?
So we're assuming this is a startup as well. They're looking at projections. They're looking at you as the borrower. You have to score from an SBSS credit scoring system. That was a credit scoring model created by FICO for SBA. Assuming you score on that, it's 0 to 300. Typically, most banks want to see a 155 or better on the score. Assuming you have outside income that supports outside debts, good credit, you're buying a business within the vicinity of where you reside in a 2.5 hour radius. That's generally what most banks like. And then that your projections are in line. So they usually look at year 2 and they want to see profitability. Some banks will stress test your top line revenue year 2 and chop that down by 25% and then stress test the interest rate as well. But that's generally the criteria to qualify for SBA financing for franchises. We're talking about startups. So the other thing is it an approved franchise? There's a directory, how many units the franchise has. If it doesn't have many units, sometimes it's very challenging. Some banks will scrutinize the FDD, which is the franchise disclosure document. And if they have a lot of closures, they don't have a lot of units, those are red flags for banks. So sometimes you get turned down, not based on you, the borrower, but based on the franchise. And they also look for the credibility of the franchisor. If it's a new emerging franchise, what have they done in the past? How many units? Like I said before, those are the kind of factors that go in. So typically I have a conversation with you. I ask you general questions. I have a little form. And then I want to see the FDD, which is the franchise disclosure document. From there, I usually can figure it out within an hour or two, if not right on the spot, which bank or lending institution would be the most viable based on how much we have down, our reserves, credit score, things like that. If you're looking for franchise financing, you go to bookwithbo.com and schedule an appointment. Look forward to meeting with you.
Meet Bo Eckstein, the driving force behind Business Ownership Coach, unlocking the path to business ownership. Visit www.businessownershipcoach.com. Thrive with Business Ownership Coach.
Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.